welcome to our exciting episode of Roller Coaster C/D. We're going on the Nopuko air coaster now. It's one of those, you get to hang upside down and travel in the air. It should be a lot of fun. The Nopuko roller coaster. Sorry about I would have gotten the front row seat, but it was blocked off, so this is the second row is the least I could do. Maybe next year I can try again. Despite the next roller coaster not being open just yet. They're waiting for parts. Oh yeah, we're ready to go. As long as I hold this camera. Okay. Yeah, I've never recorded a suspended coaster before. But you can see the entire coaster in the parking lot. As you can see, it's pretty empty. But yeah, we're gonna go. I can't see anything, but yeah. Alrighty. You can see okay. Alrighty. Let's do this. Oh my god. I need to hold the whole time. Whoa! Holy moly! Sorry about that. Oh no. I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh man! Too much. Oh yeah, that's well, must have gotten unscrewed a little bit, but that was a close call. Well, there you have it. That was Nopuko. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.